Let's set up E-goi with a domain hosted in cPanel. When we create an account in E-goi, we should set up the SPF, the DKIM, and the cName to send email marketing campaigns in a professional way. To start, let's go then to the cPanel webpage and let's type our details and click Login. Then we are going to select cPanel Login and we should find the Dns Zone Editor. We can type here DNS and find it in an easy way, or we can scroll down until we find it. So let's look for that. And here we have it, Dns Zone Editor. Then we need to find our domain and enter in the Manage area. In this page, we are going to find all the records that we have in our web page. Let's go now to our E-goi account and we need to go to the Senders page. For that, we are going to hit this menu in the top right corner and then click in Senders. And what we are going to find? We will see all the domains that we have in our E-goi's account. When we create an E-goi account, we can see immediately the domain of the email that we used, and we will find as well here the domain of the email sender that we create from this button here. In this account, I have two domains, one authenticated and the other one that I need to authenticate. Let's do then the configurations for this one, in my case, and we will start clicking in this button, Authenticate. Then we will choose I'll do it myself. And we are going to select cPanel because we have our domain in this hosting service. Next, and there we have all the information. We will find here the Spf Records, okay, and the DKIM records here. Let's go to the Zone Editor and start with the SPF. For this particular case, we need to make sure that we don't have any other SPF record. So let's search by using Command F or Control F and type SPF. In case that I have an SPF record, I only need to edit it by clicking in this pencil and then replace the records. But I don't have any here, so I need to add a new one. Let's do it. This will be a TXT type record, and for this field I'm going to copy this information, and I am using this icon here to make it easier. We will be pasting this information here, and for this field I'm going to copy this value here. Paste, and that's it. Let's continue by adding our DKIM record, and for that I'm going to add a new one, and this will be as well a TXT type. In this field I'm going to take this first information here, and for this one I'm going to copy this information. Paste, add record, and that's it. Now go to E-goi and click Next. As we can see, all this information is validated. You can find this information in red or in green. In case that you find it in red, you should wait up to 48 hours until it is good. In this case, it's all green, so it's all set it up correctly. We are going now to set up the cName, and to begin I need to click in this bar of my domain. Then I'm going to select Add cName and choose the cName record. Let's generate configuration and then say that I'll do it myself. Select the hosting services, in this case cPanel, And here we have the cname information to add the record. For this one we need to add a new record, so let's go then and click Add Record, which is a cname type. In this field I'm going to copy this first information here, and for this one I'm using the data information. Copy, paste, and add record. Ready. Check my configuration, and as we can see, it's not ready yet. The validation of this record can take up to 48 hours, and you will see here if it's okay to go. If it's red, you'll need to wait a little bit more, and if it's green, you are ready to go. And we have just finished. Once we have these 3 configurations done, we will be able to send our email marketing campaigns.